What's going on, guys? It's Fuller here with Junior from Custom Offsets, back at it again with another giveaway.
So this time Custom Offsets is partnered up with RBP and 9 Line, and this is pretty badass. So first place is going to win a whole RBP build. You're winning an RBP lift kit up to 6 inches, RBP wheels in the cast, and then RBP tires as well. And then second place is getting a $500 RBP accessories gift card.
So as you guys know, at the end of these contests, we always make a contribution to a charity, and this time we're doing COPS, which is Concerns of Police Survivors. So it's kind of the theme with the shirt. We got the gray, white, and blue for the thin blue line. And what they do is they help with the families of fallen officers. So this is something that hits really near and dear to my heart, being an officer myself. So I'm super pumped that we're able to give back to these guys.
So this giveaway is super simple. All you have to do is pick up this t-shirt linked at customoffsets.com/RBP, and that gets you entered to win.
That's that easy. Grab your shirt, you're automatically entered. Not only do you get the awesome t-shirt, but you're entered to win the wheels and the full build.
Contest starts now and it's going to end on December 7th. And then we're going live at 9 Line's facility in Georgia on the 10th to announce the winners.
So come on out, customoffsets.com/RBP, pick up your shirt, get entered to win. That's all we got for you. Peace.